Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Confetti Sugar Cookie Biscuit review. So this is the sugar cookie from Starbucks and it's got their icing on half the cookie with some little sugary sprinkles on top. This is very similar to the other sugar cookies that they have. They have them for like Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, the fall, etc. But this one's a circle and it's got confetti on it compared to the others. So this one has 410 calories, and it's quite a big cookie, as you can see. It's massive, and it's got like a little bit of icing, sprinkles on there, so I'm gonna get right into this. Icing's good. Sprinkly. And it's got a lot of flavor. I like that. It's different than the other sugar cookies because the icing actually has some flavor to it. The other sugar cookies have icing on them too, but it's a little bit different. And they don't have the sprinkles like this one does. Big fluffy cookie. The cookie itself feels fluffy and light. It is kind of thick, and it's got a lot of calories to it, but it's very tasty and flavorful. I like that. I like the sugar cookie more than the other sugar cookies. I don't know if they made a different recipe for this, but it's good. One more bite. Let me get my final review. It is similar to the other sugar cookies, but I found this one has a different taste to it. So, yeah. So this sugar cookie's got a bit more icing on it and a little different flavor. Kind of has a lemony flavor to it, a little tiny bit. I do find this different than the other sugar cookies, so that's something to note. It is very good though. The other sugar cookies, they have like a festive theme to them. They don't have those little sparkly sprinkles on them either, so that's one of the biggest differences between these, but it's very similar to the other sugar cookies. So if you've had a sugar cookie from Starbucks before, this one's going to taste pretty similar to that. And I'd give this an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good sugar cookie, and it tastes a lot better, or it tastes a little bit better than the other sugar cookies, so it's a little different, but not too different to make a justifiable change. And if you already had this, you don't need to try this again. It's already pretty similar to the other sugar cookies, so yeah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.